Hey guys, welcome back to another one. Today we got a little fun video. We got a 2011 Toyota Corolla and we're going to replace some of the tire sensors. That's the little indication light. So that blinks when low tire pressures are low and it wants you to check it out. Sometimes you can have the pressure right and it'll be the signal for the battery of the sensor. So we're going to check those out. We kind of did already. I don't know if you guys can see those. Looks like the two front tires have low battery. They have the good pressure, but the battery is low. So that's why the indicator comes on and off. So this is the tool that I'm using, the TS501. This the Autel brand. So this is pretty good. I know there's different ones. This one I can program the sensors and do all the stuff that I still haven't figured out how to do. But we know how to change the sensors. So we're gonna do that and hope you guys like the video. So this is what it looks like. We're going to be using these sensors right here, fresh off the box. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like a little dust. Nothing like a little experience dust. Brand new. There you go. All right. And where's the part number? All right. So we're going to be using two of these bad boys. First thing is take out the air and the sensor out. Dun, dun. There we go. Alright, so now we will go into the diagnostic portion. Oh, actually, the wrong one. The MX sensors. And we go to the front left one. We go that one. Gonna create a manual one here. Just gonna put the secret code right here. I'm just fucking with you guys. I'm just making up the. I'm making up the. Oh, hold on here. Next page. I'm put A on that. Yes. So it wants me to save it. I put the sensor in here. But yes, I'm gonna start programming it to make sure I'm at least 4 feet from other sensors. That should be. I'm 6 feet tall. As long as I don't leave this on the floor. And it's going to program it. Boom. There you go. That works. We're fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to front left here. Scan it again. Perfect. Now we got no more low battery light. We do have 0 because obviously there's no pressure in the sensor. So now we can install it there. Next step, take out the sensor. Washer. Cuatro tacos de lengua, cuatro tacos de lengua. There we go. Place it. Make sure the tire goes over the sensor. You can see that through the camera. And now it is ready to inflate. Yeah, because when you can see the sensor a little bit, the air is going to come out right out. All right, so now we get our inflator tool. Doesn't have to be this one, but I like this one because I could just leave it here. So I'm just gonna put on. Leave it there. Get it started with the other one. So we go back, same thing now from right, manual activation, specific code, I just make up here, and that's going to start programming. There it is. Place this down here while it does that. As you can see, the other one, see right there, all set. What the fuck happened to the new cap? Damn it! Well, anyway, this one right there. This one is done. So here, now we go to the front right. Scan it. Good. So we're gonna put that on the front right. Now let's check the front left here. Beautiful. See that? No more low battery. There. Let's put this on before we confuse them.
Okay.
The last one here. Oh, see. Right there. Put this on. And yes, this machine does have it to put air, but the switch is on the other side. Anyways, that thing's automatic, it stops. You know? So, as you guys can see, I was able to leave that like that for the other one and start doing this one, so a little multitasking right there, you know. Alright, since now that's stopped, all we have to do is read this one. Make sure it says it's not good. So we should be good for installation. This one does not have a spare tire one, so we're going to leave that blank. And then after we install it, we are going to go here and relearn the right here, relearn process. And I'm going to show you how to do that too. Alright, so after reprogramming it 2 times, scanning each sensor twice, and then coming again to do a relearn procedure, they finally got it. Car says no more tire pressures, system failure, so we should be good on that end, and didn't have any more problems with these two front sensors. Maybe in the back, and now as you can see, it's all good. You guys can see all that, but no more tire sensor light on, and that's how you do it. So it's not as I mean, if you don't have the right equipment, you're not going to be able to do it. It's going to be hard. Even if you take out the sensors and put them on, you still have to program them to the car. So, you know, if you want to do that, we get that done for you. Toyota, Ford, Chevys, the more common ones, Jeeps, things like that, Dodge. Haven't done anything too crazy, so you know, hopefully this machine could do it all. So if you have any of those problems, let us know. We'll take care of it. And thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or want to hear me talk about something that you guys, you know, have concerns about vehicles and stuff like that, let me know. I'll try to do my best to get a video out for you guys. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.